In this video, we will try to understand how to create, read, write, edit the text file using Python. So you might be wondering, sir, what is the use of creating a text file using a Python and what we are going to write it down? Suppose you want to generate some report and that should be in a text format and store somewhere in the middle of the programming. You can use the method which I'm going to show you right now. Suppose you want to print some bill. This method will be very much useful using Python. And suppose you want to make a note of a very important part of a programming which is going on, the logging module or something like that. So this text file will be very much useful. Operations are very much useful. So you can do three operations with a text file using Python. The first operation is called read. The second operation is called write. The third operation is called append. So first we will write with the write because we need to create a file. And first when we create a file, that file will be in the write mode. So where this file will be created? If you're working in a Google Colab, it will be created in this folder. If you're working in a Jupyter Notebook, wherever you kept this file, IPython file, on that folder, this will be created. Okay, suppose you kept your file on a desktop itself, so the text file will be created on desktop. Great. Let's start and try to understand how this actually works. So first I'm going to create mhm.txt file in the write mode and I'm going to add this is the first line. I'm going to open that and write it and just close it down. So you can see the text file is created over here. I'm just going to click it and you can see the first line has been added. Great. So now the next one is append. So I'm going to append a line and when I open this again, you can see the second line. Okay. I want you to notice something. I have written backslash over here so that the second line is coming on a second, actually second line. Great. Suppose I want to read the file. That is possible with fread. Okay. I want to just count out how many characters are there. So I'm just reading the file, reading the content, and plus I'm just checking how many characters are there. Great. So now what we are going to do, we are going to read the line, but in a different format. See, this is also possible. And you can read the file like this. You can just check, suppose I want to just read the first 5 character, that is also possible. Okay, the first 5 character. Because the space is also counted as one character. Okay, when you take 6, it's going to this, then space and I. Okay, and when you write 38 as total number of characters are 38, it is going to come as total all lines.